the Joker Notorious Lowrider. It has 433 pieces. It has Batgirl, Harley Quinn, and Joker, which is the main villain in the movie. Okay. On the back, it has these special features. Right here is just the same picture. So let's open this and have a little closer look. This is bag number 2. Bag number 1. Instruction manual. And bag number 3. Number 3. This is gonna take a while. Hello everyone, I'm back. This was kind of complicated, but I asked my parents to help me and they did. Now it's finished. Let's take a look at the minifigures. First up we have is Harley Quinn. She has her baseball bat with diamonds on it. As you can see, she has a bowling ball shirt right here, but actually that's supposed to be a bowling bomb shirt. Okay. She has 2 faces, a happy face and like I don't know face. And her shirt says Smilex right there. Next up we have is the Joker. He has his little gun that says bang. That means he hits someone or hits something. The Joker actually has like lipstick on him. He has this part on his arm, and I thought it's supposed to have like his whole glove on, but I learned. So Joker has 2 faces, a happy face and a smirk face. Last up we have is Batgirl. So Batgirl has like this really nice thick cape. She has like her mask that doesn't go all the way down. She has like print right here, which is really nice. So Batgirl has 2 faces, a happy face and a mean face. Serious. See if I can. So now let's take a look at the main part, the car. Right? So the car, you can store Harley Quinn's baseball bat in there, like so. That might roll off. Maybe once steal Harley Quinn. I'm gonna show you how to launch it. Mom, put your hand right there. Let me give you a demonstration. Like that. That's how you launch it. Like, kind of flick it. I kind of shot that missile too far. Right? Just continue. So the thing, they have rubber bands on this, so it can go like this, or like you can make it straight down, or like this. It has a little autopilot control right here. Wheel, and has a horn that doesn't honk. This part is my favorite part, the engine part, so it like makes it go fast. The sticker parts right here, this is the Joker, and the back says ha ha ha. I can sit Joker on where the wheel is. It's just I have to put that weapon on in the back. And put his hands right here. Into his 4 piece. Here we go, and I can put Harley Quinn next to Joker. Like this, so like they're riding. Like this. And then Batgirl jumps on. And then Harley Quinn gets her bat and blocks it with the batarang. Okay. Yeah. Then Batgirl jumps on, and then Then she looks behind and makes sure they crash, and boom! They crashed. So this is my Joke and Notorious Low Rider set. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!